Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy for scalping the market. Okay, so this strategy is for scalping the volatility index market, be it V75, V20, V100, anyone, whichever one it is. You can use this strategy to scalp in that market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how to trade with this strategy. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we are going to search for our moving average, which is the first indicator here. All right, so you click on this plus icon, you search for your moving average. The period for this one is 10, shift is 0. The method is simple, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. All right, now on the star, you make it color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, now the moving average, for the second moving average, you're going to click on this plus icon again, you search for your moving average, you make the period 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. Right, the levels, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The star, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, you click on done. All right, now the third indicator here is fractals, so you click here, you search for your fractals. Right, now for the fractals, you only need to change this here to color yellow, 3 pixel, and you are done. Right, you click on done. The next indicator we have here is stochastic oscillator, so you click on this indicator with maybe the plus icon here. All right, then you search for your stochastic oscillator, you make the care period 60, d period is 1, slowing is 1, apply to the price field is close, the method is exponential. All right, the levels, you make it 10, 90. All right, the color is red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now the next indicator we have here is the time frame, which is all time frame. The star, you make the color, you make the main, all right, color green, 3 pixel. The star is color red, 3 pixel also, and then you click on done. Right, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, so you're going to be clicking on this indicator with the 1 plus icon, then you search for your moving average. Right, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The star is color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, so now how does the strategy work? Before I go into that, before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash, the VIP boom and crash, which I've been giving out. All right, so if you are interested in growing your $10 account or a $5 account, all right, so long as you can use that account to open a position in the market, you will grow it with this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you have a beginner and you have been blowing your account, then you should come for this strategy. All right, so if you want the strategy, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. Now back to this powerful strategy right here. Now this strategy is also a strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $10 account. It's a scalping strategy, so you don't need to stay in the market for long. Right, now this strategy, you can apply it on any time frame. All right, you can apply it on any time frame starting from the 5-minute time frame. Okay, starting from the 5-minute time frame, you can apply it on any time frame you want. All right, for the zoom level, you only need to zoom out completely, and then you zoom in 1, 2, 3. All right, so you zoom in 3 times. All right, that's the zoom level for this. All right, so now how does the strategy, what's the condition? The first condition is that you want to allow this blue line here, very important, to get to the 90 level. All right, when it gets to the 90 level, you look for sell trade. When it gets to the 10 level, you look for buy trades. All right, so now let's take this for example. You can see that it's touching the 90 level here. All right, so now the first condition is that you want to see this red line crossing above the blue line. All right, so once the red line crosses above the blue line, you look up here on the main chart. You want to see that price has broken below the most recent structure of the market. All right, so look at this fractal here. You need to make sure that the price has breaking and close above that structure there. All right, the candlestick must close below that. Sorry, not above, it's below. The candlestick must close below that area of structure there. All right, the most recent structure the market made. All right, so once you see that the candlestick has closed successfully below that, then you can go in for your sell, and then you place your stop loss below this area, above this area. I don't know why I always say below. So you place your stop loss above this area here, and then your target is, your TP is going to be when this blue line gets to the 10 level, or you can, if you want to go out faster, you can leave it at the red, because the red moves faster than the blue. All right, so you are going to see when this red gets to the 10 level, you exit, which is a kind of scalping strategy. All right, it's kind of a scalping method for you, and it's more faster than the blue. All right, so you can get your profit and get out of the market as fast as possible. All right, so that is how you go about the strategy. All right, so first thing, you want to allow the blue line to get to the overbought level. Secondly, the red must cross below the blue. Then thirdly, you want to see that the price here, this blue line, has crossing above the most recent structure. It has, the candlestick must close below the most recent structure here. Then once you see all these conditions being met, you go in for your sell. All right, that's how simple it is. Okay, so this is a sell example of this strategy. You can see there's a buy example also around this area. All right, so you can see that price got to this, and this blue line has gotten to the 10 level here. All right, so you wait for the red line to cross above. Right, it crosses above, then you mark the most recent structure and you wait for price to break above it. So you mark the most recent structure and then you wait for price to break above it. All right, so once the price breaks above it, you take your buy. Sorry, once the candlestick breaks and close above it, all right, then you take your buy and you hold till this red gets to the 10 level here, or the blue line gets to the 10 level. Okay, so the blue line will get there the red line will get there very faster than the red one. Okay, so if you are targeting for higher profits, you use the blue one, and if you just want to get out quickly, you use the red one. All right, it's as simple as that. So that's where I'm going to stop in this video. All right, I hope you guys understand what I've been explaining. All right, it's a very simple strategy. If you don't understand, you rewatch the video again. I believe you are going to get something. Okay, so for my new viewer, thanks for coming. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewer, you are welcome back. All right, thanks for your support. Okay, so that is all, guys. If you are not joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to check it out. Okay, there's a lot of opportunity there that you don't want to miss. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.